Friends, this is our second 3D practice drawing. In this drawing, we're gonna see about a chair. While opening, just use U and space. We're gonna check our units. Type decimal. Precision is 0.0 and units is millimeter. Okay. Then we're gonna create a layer by using the command LA space. Just create a new layer. The name chair. Just make it a current layer by clicking the green tick. Just close it. Just go to front view. In the front view, the UCS icon, it is in XZ direction. So by clicking this icon, we're gonna use align XY plane. By clicking it, the XY plane is occur. In XY direction only we can draw. In the Z axis, we're gonna extrude. Okay. XL extra line space. Just left click and give a direction and left click. Okay. Then we're gonna copy and we're gonna rotate to some specific degree. So RO for rotation command space, click the object space, pick a point, then we're gonna copy. So C for copy space and 106 degree. L space. Just click this end and give some a reference point. Escape O space offset for 89 mm. Just do offset. Okay. Then RO space, click object space, click the specific point, C for copy space 77 degree. Okay. Then we're gonna trim unwanted lines, T or double space. Just trim the unwanted lines. Okay. Then we're gonna offset O space, left click move towards upward to 57 mm. To repeat the command, just press space, left click towards to 29 mm. Escape. To repeat the command space, left click move towards 62 space. Okay. T or double space, just trim these lines. Escape, just click the lines, E for erase space. T or double space. Okay. Just using your scroll button, just make a zoom in and click the unwanted reference line, E for erase. Okay. I think we don't need a line. Okay. Just select it, E space. So we're gonna rotate. First T or double space, just trim this line. Escape, just click it and E for erase. L space, just pick the reference point, just click it, move towards this direction for 90 mm space, just click escape. We're gonna rotate to minus 3 degree RO space, click the object space, just click this point minus 3 space. Then we're gonna rotate same RO space, click the object space, just click a reference points, C for copy space 140 degree space. Okay, just click it, erase TR double space. Okay, now we extend, we're gonna extend a line, double space, just click this point, escape, TR double space, just trim this point, escape, click E for erase. Okay, just click this point and erase. We're gonna do for offset O space for 7 mm. This line and this one. Okay, then L space. Move towards this line. Okay, then moves to a specific direction. We will get a reference of a green dots. Okay, just draw a line space. F space or space 0 space. This is our first point and this is our second point. To repeat the command space, just click our first point, just click our second point, tr double space. Okay, then trim the unwanted areas. These areas are unwanted areas. Okay, just see our UCS icon. For example, L space, this is our X direction and this is our Y direction. Okay, by using this XY direction we gonna cover this place. We don't know how to cover this, so UCS space, just click this as 0 comma 0. This is our X direction, just move our icon. This is our Y direction. Just see the view cube, it have been changed, right? Okay, L space, just click this point, move towards 90-degree space, then O space, we're gonna offset for 20 mm. Okay, just move, do an offset. L space to 90-degree, 5 mm space, just move the line towards parallel. 17 mm space, just move 90-degree for 5 mm. TR double space. Okay, CO space, just sorry, escape. J space, we're gonna join the area, so join this line space. Okay, now this is a single object. CO space, just click the object space, just click this and we're gonna move towards this direction, I mean towards this area. The length of the object is 17 mm and we need a spacing of 4 mm between two objects, so 17 plus 4 is equal to 21 space. Escape, CO space, just click the both object space, just click this point as a reference, move towards and paste, sorry, CO space, just copy the line, sorry, CO, click the line, click the object. This is our first point, 1, and we're gonna draw 4. Okay, now CO space, just click this move 3 object space, click the object and click over here. Okay, now we gonna align the 4 object towards here. Okay, AL space, oh, before that we gonna take a reference L space, just move towards here and towards we will find the object, just press over here and UCS space. Same, you're gonna repeat this one XYZ. Okay, for XY. Okay, now L space, click the object to 90 mm, 7 mm close. Then UCS space. This is a 0 comma 0. This is X and this is Y. Okay. L space. Just move towards this line straight to this and pick a point, move towards direction straight 90-degree. O space for 13 mm. Okay, now we're going to do align. AL for align command space. Just click this object space. This object gonna place over this point and this object gonna place towards here space. Okay, just click the unwanted lines. Okay, now we're gonna join this line. J space, click these points and these points, space. Okay, now it had made a single object. CO space, just click the object, move towards a specific direction and L space. Okay, 7 mm. TR just in the unwanted areas. Erase this one, erase this line and this one. Okay, just J for join, sorry, J space, just click the object space. Okay, we're gonna move M space, just click the entire object space, take this as a point, a reference point, and we're gonna paste over here. Okay, then C space, just move towards, you will find a middle point, just click moves towards, move outward, the radius is 2 space. CO space, just copy the object space, pick the center point and place it over here. M space, click the object space, just click this point and move towards this direction to 16 mm. To repeat the command, press space button, space, click the object space, just click this point and make this as a reference line for travel to 16 mm. Okay, our 2D have been finished. Now, in case if it is an unnamed position, just click the arrowhead and use the WC as a. Now go to home screen. Okay, EXT extrude space, just click this point space for 7 mm. CO space, we're gonna copy, just select the object space, left click the mouse, move towards the same straight direction for 73 mm. EXT extrude, this is our first point, this is our, where is the second, this is our second point, and this is our third point space, and move towards here, this will be the end point. Okay, now we're gonna copy these three. CO space, just click the point, first, second, third, space, just left click mouse and move towards a space, and we're gonna subtract SUB space, first, second, space, then click these three objects space. Okay, now we're gonna move M space, just click the entire object space, this is our reference point, click this point and paste over here. Okay, then we're gonna repeat the process over here. EXT space, this is our first point and this is our second point space, we're gonna place it over here. Okay, same CO space, just click the object, same space, click left click, move towards a specific direction, then SUB space, click the object space, click this one, first one and second one space. Okay, M space, click the object space, if you move towards the circle now we will get our middle point, just click it and place over here to the middle point. Okay, now we're going to extrude the chair. Okay, EXT space, first point, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh space up to here. Okay, our chair have been completed. Okay, it is in 2D wireframe, just click the 2D wireframe and go to shades of gray. Okay, this is our chair. Okay, then we gonna add a material, MAT space, after opening this is our material tab. Okay, just click here, Autodesk library, go to wooden, this we gonna do it as a wooden, right? Okay, now just press our left click over here and drag the icon and just place it over here. Okay, we have pasted over here but we couldn't see the structure, right? Just go to shades of gray, go to realistic, If you give realistic, na, it will change, it will show us the original color. Okay, now we're gonna match each and every properties, okay, by using M A space. Just click this object first, okay, and this is second, third, fourth, fifth 3D object. Okay, just make zoom in. Okay, I think ash door will be over here, and bow coat we're gonna paste it over here. Okay, okay, now same beach, we're gonna give a beach material over here. Okay, okay, M A space, just click the object. This is our second, zoom it, and third. Okay, space. I think both side it will be better. Okay, just close it. Okay, if you go, we if in case if you're going to design a 3D object, after the final output, okay, we have to check whether each and everything is okay, correct position. So further go to solid, just click interference. Okay, just click the entire object, space. Once again repeat the command, space, object do not interfere. In case if there are any issues in the object, it will highlight in a red color. Okay, now just go to top view, give a command PLANESUR space, just left click and give some direction, left click. Okay, then go to home screen, go to visualize medium to, just change it to high. Okay, then render, just click this icon and render environment and exposure, just make it on environment and use custom background. Okay, type, just click the arrowhead and move to solid and click the color, just give to white structure. Okay, okay, just close this one, and for no shades now, just press it and give full shades. mm, Click this one, go to, okay, okay, our final output of chair is okay, then go to render size.